Alrighty, Sharp Customs, we're rolling. I know you're probably getting bored of me saying that, but we've got the modified 2 Rayco. Don't know if I mentioned it in another video. Probably did. I've lengthened it because I have an upcoming. You got to stay tuned to this build because I'm going to be creating a body for it. I did not get a body with the modified 2. I lengthened it 3 inches for a particular wheelbase. Not going to say what the body is going to look like. A little different from, you know, the Chevy truck bodies. More of an on-road car. You got to see me make the tires out of the foam for this. Everybody's been looking forward to the performance of these tires, and I've been trying to get out to do a video. But here in Southern Ontario, we've had like nothing but like 3-4 days of, you know, rain, stop, so it's been wet. But it's late in the evening here on a Wednesday night. We're gonna run it. We're gonna try these tires. We're gonna see what happens. It could be good performance, could be a bust. So let's just fire this sucker up and let's see what happens. Let's just go for it. got to see it. I thought they would be a lot grippier with the foam. One thing I can honestly say is I think sliding them on the asphalt like that, this is a pretty grippy asphalt. I thought for sure they would be a lot stickier. What I'm seeing, probably hard to see on the camera, is seeing little bits of flat spots, probably from, you know, sliding it like that. Not sure. Seem to be able to spin them pretty good. I'm not sure really whether they're wearing. Fronts look pretty good. Even the backs look pretty good. Nothing's coming apart. Nothing's coming apart on them. I'm not saying they're the grippiest tires in the world, but for being homemade, you know, from some EVA foam, they work. They work. I mean, I'm gonna fire it back up. I'm gonna do another little rip with it, you know. Maybe we'll video it, maybe we won't. Let's just see what happens. There you have it. We ripped it, we donated it. Yeah, lots of good donuts. You can see, look at the spirals. I did not think foam would leave, you know, kind of a rubbery mark. There's little circle swirls all over the place. How much they worn? I don't know. They still look, they feel good. I don't feel any weird marks on them. I mean, I'm sure it tears some foam off the tires. I'll probably take it back to the shop. I'll probably this one looks a little yeah, it looks a little weird. Maybe a camber issue. Had to shut it down there. I still have my steering. For some reason, I lost my throttle servo. Not really sure what that is. Might have come unplugged in the radio box, but you got to see it. Probably in the next video, I will do a little bit of diagnosis. The back ones look the camber wear. I don't know if it's the camber. I think it's the camber. The front ones, the fronts look great. Those things look great. But maybe the next video, I'm gonna do some measurements on the tires, and I'll get back to you on that. But as you can see, They didn't perform the greatest. They didn't perform that bad. But they didn't shred. And that was my main concern. I thought maybe the foam would shred. But there you have it. You got to see it. You got to see the donuts and everything. Sharp Customs. Share, like, subscribe. Later.